Hey guys, this is Wintergirl115 and got some more Far Cry 3. What the heck? In my way, it's WCH. What the heck? This is weird. Look. And here, so yeah, it's just, I took the Molotov at it. Oh, I think I took the Molotov at him when he took one at me. It's just really weird. Okay. Actually, no, I just don't get this game. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe. It says 20% low battery. Damn it!